Commercial auto insurance, when it refers to landscaping businesses, what do you recommend for landscaping businesses in regards to an auto policy for insurance?
So great questions. When it comes to the commercial auto insurance, especially for landscapers, there's still a couple of pieces to it. It's not only the auto coverage, right? The commercial auto covers the vehicle, the driver, and the business while in operation, while driving from site to site, from the yard to the site. That's one piece of the puzzle. And then the truck parks, the back of the trailer opens up, and you have $100,000 worth of equipment in that trailer. Well, if that truck and trailer roll off of the Garden State Parkway, the automobile insurance doesn't cover the equipment located inside, right? Mm-hmm. So your driver gets hurt in that accident, workers' comp. The helpers get hurt in that accident, workers' comp, right? So workers' comp, super important for the lawn care, landscape, hardscape businesses. You have $50,000 worth of equipment. And by the way, every piece of equipment has gasoline in it, not just the truck itself. So you want to have the inland marine coverage for your trailer, as well as the equipment inside your trailer. And you want to make sure that you have a small pollution coverage as part of your automobile policy as well. And then you want that general liability coverage as well as your landscaper, because again, when that truck is parked and everybody is safe and we're cutting a lawn and a rock goes through a window and somebody comes out screaming and yelling and wants to sue you, you need to have that coverage. Granted, that window is a couple $100, $1,000 to get somebody to come out quickly and get it fixed. But you just want to prevent that lawsuit should something happen. Or if you get blamed for cutting a line under somebody's grass, I don't know what a line would be there for, some kind of power cable, or somebody gets hurt on a piece of equipment, not an employee because that's workers' comp, but if some kind of third party gets hurt, from that rock being thrown out of that lawnmower, and has to go to the hospital, you want to have that liability coverage. So while commercial auto is a small piece of the puzzle, having the liability and the workers' comp and the inland marine coverage really creates a nice package for that landscaper. You also mentioned there's 2 times a year these guys come out and are looking for insurance. It's usually in the early spring when equipment's getting ramped back up again. And it's in the fall when we're thinking about white gold coming from the sky. When it comes to the landscapers and the snowplow coverage, everybody has big dreams. And yeah, we're in New Jersey and it's 70 degrees today in November. But when that white gold starts to fall, you have everybody and their mother, hopping in a plow truck and hoping to make that money when there's some major risks involved with that. And not every landscape policy is going to cover that. There's a lot of specifics when it goes into snowfall. But circling back to the commercial auto is, we're seeing claims on the rise. Prices are going up every year. We're seeing them go up pretty significantly across the board on commercial auto, just because anybody that gets into an accident with any kind of professional or commercial vehicle, they see dollar signs and big insurance policies. And so claims are up significantly, which means that costs of insurance are going up. So that's where a good agent comes in, and we do our best to shop the market, and we hit Travelers and Hartford and Progressive and Allstate and Merchants and Berkshire Hathaway. So we hit our 7 commercial automobile insurance markets to make sure that we can put people in the right place and have good coverage when it comes to that need.